What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Octavia.Darling, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy no retwist styles that you can do with your locks. I have a braid out which is about 1 week old, so the styles that I'll be doing today is going to have that kind of look with it. If you don't have a braid out, that's perfectly fine. Just do whatever you can with what you have. Remember, these are no retwist lock styles, so the point is for it to be cute and easy with the styles that we try out today. If you're new to this channel, I like to create content based on my loc journey, also share tutorials, how-to videos, inspirational videos, and so much more. If you're interested in seeing that kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like and comment as well, and share this video with someone else that you think that it might be helpful for. Let's hop into this video. For the first style, I'm going to do, since like I said, my hair is already in a braid out, so I am going to keep my hair down, and I have some gold loc jewelry that I'm going to add to some of the locks just to add a little, you know, razzle dazzle to it so it doesn't look too plain. But yep, I'm just going to clip this onto some of the locks. Make sure I squeeze it so that they don't slide down. Okay. Add one to another side. I'm going to look for a thicker lock because my locks are not the same size, but this is a little big, so I'm going to look for like a thicker one. Probably this one. Squeeze that on. That. And then we'll add a couple more. Okay, and then I'm going to tuck this side of my hair behind my ear, and this is loc style number 1. So this is no retwist loc style number 1. Very cute, very easy. Just add whatever kind of loc jewelry you have handy to your locks and you'll be fine. Okay, so for this next style, we're going to do some pin curls with our locks. Now, if you haven't already checked out my, I don't know if I posted a tutorial or if I just posted the styles on here, but pin curls on locks are very easy. They're not difficult at all. You're just going to grab a few sections of your hair. Make sure you have your hairpins. And again, it depends on how big you want them. Tuck in and roll upward. Okay. I'm just here looking at my mirror. And then you'll take a hairpin and then you'll pin it down. Okay, so for this next style, we're going to do some pin curls with our locks. Now, if you haven't already checked out my... Y'all probably hear me in the background.
This is pretty funny because I was actually recording an Instagram reel at the same time, and I forgot that I was doing that until I heard my voice.
So I added 2 hairpins to that one pin curl, and now I'm going to go around and finish up. So I'll speed up this section. Okay, so this is style number 2. I think this is cute. I did 3 large pin curls in the front of my hair. I have the back out, and I added just a little bang in the front. This is cute. This is quick, easy. What y'all think about this one? I like this one. If you're someone who likes to lay your edges down, by all means get some edge control, lay your edges down. Me, I don't really lay my edges down like that. I like more natural based edges, so that's why I didn't lay it down in this video. But by all means, smooth it out a little bit per your preference, but I think this is cute. What do y'all think? Comment down below. So I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, I have been waiting to do this style. You want to have ponytail holders, scrunchie, whatever you call it, and we're going to do an updo style. Do I want to do bangs? I think I'll keep maybe 2 bangs in the front. So I'm gonna tilt my head over like this, put it in a high pony. Make sure you smooth out the back of your locks. And remember, you have a no retwist, so the smoother you make it in the back, the better. Okay. Alright, and all you're going to be doing is gathering your hair to a high ponytail. Get your ponytail holder, scrunchie, tie it around twice. So, okay, make sure it's as centered as it can be. Okay, how's that? Good. Then you're going to take a scarf. I'm going to use this cute head wrap scarf that I got. This is 100% polyester. So just to give you an idea of the kind of material that I'm using. But I'm going to fold that over 2 times. And I'm going to wrap that around my ponytail. You take your scarf and make sure you don't have your bangs tucked in it as well. But you're going to take your scarf, wrap it around, I would say about twice at the base of your ponytail. Okay. Then you're going to wrap it up your ponytail. I hope that makes sense. Because what we're doing, guys, is we're making a pineapple. And I'm looking to this direction because that's where my bigger mirror is. And I need that to be able to see what's going on here. So yeah, just keep wrapping it up. So this is a cute pineapple. I love this. I saw a couple of ladies do this on TikTok one day, and I said I want to try it out. So I'm trying it out. What do y'all think about this one? I think this one is my favorite. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you. Easy, cute, convenient, you know. I love it. So yeah, this is so cute. I like this. Y'all can use any kind of scarf. I would recommend a polyester material type of scarf because it's pretty stretchy. But you can use any kind of scarf to wrap it around. You don't even have to use a scarf. You can just use your locks. You know, you can use the what is it, like the, you know, the different color string that you can get from the hair store, you know, like where people use it on their braids and stuff. You can get like the gold, the silver, you can use that to wrap it around. Get creative, make it your own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. This video was just to show you 3 cute and easy no retwist styles that you can do with your locks. And if you do decide to try any of these styles, make sure you tag me. You can tag me on Instagram at Octavia.Darling or on TikTok at Octavia.Darling. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite style, and if you have any suggestions on the type of videos you would like to see, comment that down below too. I would really appreciate it, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing week. Take care. Bye.